Now it's time to install the EV3 programming environment on your computer. Just like you need to have a word processor like Microsoft Word or Pages installed on your computer before you can write an essay, you need to have the LEGO Mindstorm's EV3 programming environment installed on your computer before you can write programs for your robot. LEGO offers two versions of the EV3 software: the educational version, which you have to purchase, and the home version, which is available as a free download. You can see our course resources page for the link. The two versions of the software are very similar. In particular, 90% of what we'll be doing in this course works exactly the same way in the two versions of the software, and all the assignments that are required for the certificate of completion can be written using either version of the software. Since this course is designed specifically for educators, I'll be using the educational version of the software for my demonstrations, but as I said before, for 90% of this course, there's no difference between the two versions. Towards the end of the course, I'll highlight a few special features that are only available in the educational software. If you choose to buy the educational software, you have the option to buy single copies of the software for each computer you're going to be installing it on, or to buy a site license that allows you to install the software on multiple computers at your school. Both the educational version and the home version of the software are downloaded from the internet. If you buy the educational version, they'll send you a special link. Installation is pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Of course, many schools place restrictions on who can install software on school machines, so you may need to ask your school's IT person to install the software for you. If you do have any problems installing the software, LEGO support should be able to help you. If you don't have a contact number handy, you can find the local contact number for your country by searching for LEGO Education Support if you have the educational kit. If you have the home kit, do a search for Mindstorm's technical support. We've also included links for LEGO Education and home customer support in the USA on our resources page. One additional point worth noting: the software requires that your screen resolution is at least 1024 by 600. Most laptops and desktop machines have plenty of room, but if you have a small netbook or tablet, you may not be able to use the software. Before you start the next lesson, you'll need to make sure that you have a computer with the software installed on it, you've built your robot, and if you installed your EV3's battery pack, that you've charged it up. Otherwise, put some fresh batteries into your EV3.